In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add Klarna as a payment method on your Shopify store. So once you are logged into your Shopify, the first thing we need to do is head over to settings in the bottom left hand corner. And then once we select settings, you need to come over to the left hand side bar here, scroll down until you see the option for payments and select this right here. Now once we select payments, you will then be brought over to this page, and if you go down to where it says additional payment methods, you will then be able to click on add a payment method. Once you're on here, you can then search by a payment method or search by a provider. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, but what you can do is go and search for Klarna. Once you search for Klarna, you can then go ahead and select it. Once we select Klarna, as you can see, Klarna has now been put on right there. If we select this one and then click on install, once we click on install, that will then bring you over to this page, and then once you're on here, you can then simply click on install. Once you have created an account with Klarna and you've verified that you want to have them as a payment method, if we go over to payment methods, what you will notice is that Klarna will be listed under this box right here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add Klarna as a payment method. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.